Have you ever had an NFT that you wanted to liquidate, but you couldn't find a buyer or even the right marketplace to offer it up? Or have you ever wanted to launch an NFT collection in a decentralized fashion, but have not had the platform to do so? Well, look no further, because Liquid Collectibles is here to solve this. Liquid Collectibles is the first of its kind platform on BNB chain that offers NFT projects the possibility to go from simple NFTs to liquid NFT collections, thus giving both projects and users benefits, for example instantly trading of NFTs at floor price, better price discovery, and new profit opportunities through DeFi features such as yielding and staking. By tokenizing NFTs, there are substantial benefits for collectors, investors and content creators. Collectors can tokenize their NFTs into NFT indexes, also known as NFTI, and take advantage of the benefits offered by the DeFi space. Without Liquid Collectibles, you would be forced to hold the NFT in your wallet, with no yield rewards. With Liquid Collectibles, you are now able to tokenize your NFT into NFTI, unlocking the possibility of staking and earning yield rewards. Investors no longer have to worry about illiquidity and price setting. With Liquid Collectibles, speculating and investing in the NFT market is much easier. Also, investors can be exposed to some NFT collections that they wouldn't be able to without Liquid Collectibles, at the collection's floor price. Without Liquid Collectibles, investors would face more difficulties setting a price and waiting for a buyer in order to sell. They would also need to buy an entire NFT in order to be exposed to the collection, and would not always buy at the floor price. With Liquid Collectibles, there is now always liquidity to instantly buy and sell NFTs at floor price, giving more possibilities to smaller investors, as well as better price tracking. Apart from this, investors can buy some NFT indexes without buying an NFT, owning a small part of the collection at the cheapest price always, minimizing the risk. As an artist, you can really benefit from launching on the Liquid Collectibles protocol. You can earn a % of the protocol fees. The NFTs are distributed in an AMM, and can be bought with their NFT index and with BNB, in a decentralized way. As a creator, you will have greater reach to a wider audience, giving you the possibility to tap an already established market. Finally, your collection will always have liquidity, allowing the users to buy and sell whenever they want to, a feature which most NFT collections don't count with. Liquid Collectibles has its own NFT collection called Liquid Monsters, which was launched the same day Lico launched, October 30, 2021, and there are 6,660 different monsters to choose from. The NFT index token that correlates to this collection is Limo-I, and it can be purchased on ApeSwap. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment and share it. You can also subscribe and follow on our other social media channels, links in description.